Hi dear students, this is Ms. T.M. Raini from Sir Isaac Newton CBSE and Metric School, Papakoil, Nagapattinam. Today I am going to teach you class 4th English, The Missing Papers. It is a deductive story. We have to find out the missing question paper. The question paper was missed in the school, which was kept in the classroom, in the staff room. Okay. Now shall we go? Madan, a maths teacher. Madan is a maths teacher, walked to the staff room of his school. Now, Madan is a maths teacher. He is entering into the staff room. The students had just finished their lunch. Now, the students had just finished their lunch. It is a break time. The corridors were filled with students heading. Now, all the corridors, the students were standing back to their classrooms. He jostled past them and reached the staff room, which was bolted from the outside. Jostle is, now he is entering the staff room by jostle. Jostle is pushed the door, but it was bolted. Bolted is locked. Okay. Now this Madan is entering into the classroom, staff room. 2 minutes later, after 2 minutes, he came running out of the room. After 2 minutes, after entered the room, he came out. Okay. Now looking agitated. Agitated is disturbed. After 2 minutes, he came out from the room. He was agitated. Agitated is he was disturbed a lot. And oh no, he exclaimed. After coming out, oh no, likewise he exclaimed, clutching his hair. Clutching his hair is, he is just clutching his hair. And students in the corridor look at him with great surprise. Now he is standing near the, he is standing out from his staff room and he is clutching his head and he is thinking about something. Okay. Now all the students were looking at him surprisingly, and after few seconds, he is maths teacher. Okay. He is clutching his hair, his head. Okay. After a few seconds of standing in stunned disbelief, stunned is shocked. He was shocked. Okay. Disbelief, Madan ran down the first floor. Now Madan come back to first floor. He barged into the class 6 room where an English class was progress. Now in the first floor the English class was going. Now he come back to English class. This is English teacher and this is maths teacher Madan. Okay. Now we already seen the name of the English teacher is Aditya. Aditya sir, he called out. Aditya sir is teaching class in the 6th classroom. Now this Madan is coming out and calling Aditya sir, please come out. Striding into the classroom. Striding is walking with long step. Walking with long step, he come out from the room. You must help me with something. Now this Madan is asking help to English teacher Aditya. Okay. Aditya, the English teacher, was the smartest person in the school. Actually, Aditya is an English teacher. He was one of the smartest man in the school. Okay. Now he was known for his quick wit and presence of mind. Quick wit is quick intelligence. He will find out everything easily. And presence of mind. He knows to do what to do at the right time, at the right thing. Okay. And he was allowed helping. He also loved helping people. He is also a good person who loved to help people. And yes, Madan sir, you look very upset. Now this Aditya is asking, yes, Madan sir, you are looking so upset. What happened? What is the matter? He asked kindly. With kindly he is asking, and Madan hesitated. Hesitated is he is struggling with something. He can't tell anything openly. Okay, so he hesitated for a moment. For a moment is just for a few minutes, and then blurted out. Blurted out is suddenly without thinking. Suddenly without thinking he is telling something. The master copy of the question paper for tomorrow's test is missing from my desk. Now what's the problem here? Now the problem is the master copy of the question paper, that is the original copy of the question paper was missing now. Okay. Now if this gets out, if the question paper is out, students, you may not know about the seriousness of the question paper, but for 10th or 12th students, if the question paper is leaked, it would be a great trouble for teacher and it will be fruitful for our students too. And then it could be a disaster. Now it would become a great disaster or worse. Worse is too bad. The test could be cancelled or else we have to cancel the test. My job will be at stake. Now at stake is in a trouble, okay. His job will be in trouble if the question paper is leaked out. Please help me Aditya sir. He is begging to him like, please help me Aditya sir. Now Aditya is telling, please calm down. He is consoling him that please calm down. Madan sir, I shall help you. I will help you to find out. Please don't worry, like that Aditya said. And he called upon one of his students, Ashwin, for help. The three of them proceeded to the second floor. Now he get help from Ashwin. Ashwin is the student. Now this matter was known to whom? Three people. First one is Max sir, Madan sir, English teacher Aditya sir, and the student Ashwin. Okay, can you clear till this? Then the three of them proceeded to the second floor. Now they again moved to the second floor where the staff room was there, and so this is the scene of the crime. Now they are moving to the crime scene. Crime is where the where something has happened, okay, where the trouble has happened, and observed Aditya. Now they are looking around the path. He survived the staff room carefully. Survived is just he is looking around everything, and if there is any witness or there, if there is any clue is there to find out the question paper, like that Aditya is surveying, okay. And there were 7 desks. How many desks in the staff room? 7 desks in the staff room. All of them cluttered with books and stationery. Cluttered is full of collected, covered with an untidy collection of things. Not everything was properly arranged. Everything was not arranged properly, okay. Someone had ransacked. Ransacked is search. So it's looking like someone has searched something. So if you want to go out, you will search your bureau for clothes, right? Likewise, they searched something and everything was scattered. Scattered is that kept here and there, okay. And a couple of chairs were upturned. Couple of chairs were upturned is it was up to down, okay. And then Aditya turned to Madan and asked him. Now Aditya had a doubt and he asked to Madan, where was the master copy kept? Where was the master copy was kept? If the master copy kept, where we can, if we know the place only, we can find out, right? So Madan pointed the first desk. It was the first desk he kept the question paper, which was nearest to the door. The first desk was nearest to the door, okay. Inside the drawer, he said, in the first desk near to the door, inside the drawer, the master question paper was there. Let us first establish the facts. Let us first establish the facts is, first let him think about how they stolen the question paper. Stolen is the past tense of steal, okay. They have stole, okay. Remarked Aditya, who was the last to leave the room. Now he had a query. Query is question, who left the room at last. Now this Madan is telling, it was me, I bolted it from the outside before leaving for my class. Before moving to the class, he bolted it. Bolted is just locked it, okay. Said Madan, I left the room for the 4th period. For the 4th period, he locked the door. This morning, all 7 teachers in this classroom had classes. So the staff room, all the other 6 teachers were engaged with the classroom. So no one was entered the classroom. I was the last to go out from the room. So no one else was in the room, he added. Now it is clear that no one entered the classroom, the teachers, okay. That is quite a pickle, exclaimed Ashwin. Now Ashwin is telling quite a pickle. Quite a pickle is some disturbed situation, some trouble is there. Okay. Then Aditya nodded his head gravely. Now Aditya is nodded is shaking head. Okay. The question paper was written for students of which class, he asked. Now he is asking for which class you have made the question paper and which was last. Okay. Now 5th, said Madan. The 5th standard question paper was missed. Sir, what about the CCTV cameras? Now they have the idea to check CCTV cameras. We would check them, exclaimed Ashwin. Now Ashwin is exclaimed that we can check the CCTV camera. We can clearly know who will stole it from there. Now, why did not I think of that? Good idea, Ashwin, said Aditya. Aditya is appreciating Ashwin that why I didn't have that point, you found it likewise. Let us go and talk to Shekhar. Shekhar is an electronics operator. CCTV was under him and Shekhar was responsible for the electronics, the computers and the cameras in the school. All the computers, cameras, CCTVs was controlled by Shekhar. He was also Rajesh's father. Rajesh is also the student of the same school. So, they are asking to Rajesh's father, Shekhar. Okay. Now, the 4th person is added. Who is he? He is Shekhar. Okay. Now, the 3 of them were moving towards Shekhar. Now, Shekhar are worried that did my son did anything wrong? Likewise, he is asking, has my son done anything wrong? Asked Shekhar as he was summoned. As he was summoned by like recursing, he is asking, did my son did anything? No, they are telling, now they are telling about the problem. Aditya interject quickly. Now Aditya quickly says that, no Shekhar, we want to ask you about the CCTV camera. We wanted to know about CCTV camera. Can you show us the video footage? Video footage is video clippings, okay, of the last 1 hour for this corridor. For where the staff room was there, the corridor CCTV cameras they are asking for. Madan sir and I will have a look at the footage in the computer lab. Now they are moving to the computer lab and they are looking at CCTV camera. Okay. As Madan, Aditya and Shekhar walked to the ground floor. Now who all are walking? Madan, Maths sir, Aditya, English sir and Shekhar, computer operator. Okay. Now they all are moving to ground floor where the computer lab was. The computer lab was in ground floor. Okay. Shekhar pulled them aside and said, the CCTV camera that covers the 2nd floor is out of order. Now the second problem is the CCTV camera was not working. That is called as out of order. It is not working. Aditya and Madan stood dejected. Now they both were dejected, disappointed because CCTV is the only hope for them. Now it was not working. Since when have they been out of order? Asked Aditya. How long it was like this? Like asking Aditya, they have not been working for the last 3 days. Last 3 days the CCTV camera was in out of order. There is, however, another camera that covers the staircase leading to the 2nd floor. Would that be helpful? Shekhar asked. Now Shekhar is asking the question that the 2nd floor staircase is steps. Okay, steps footage I have. So shall I show him? Show it, na? Show it. Likewise, he is asking. Oh yes. Now he is telling. Oh yes, you just show him. Show it. We will be able to look at who went up the stairs. So it may be like one clue for us and leading to the 2nd floor during the PE period. PE period is physical education period, remarked Aditya. The 3 of them proceeded to the lab. Now the 3 of them were looking the 2nd floor staircase CCTV cameras. Inside the lab, Shager punched a few keys on a computer and the live feed from the cameras began to play. Now he had lot of keys, he opened the key and now the camera was began to play. Aditya requested him to go back and heard to when the PE period was in progress. Now they are going back to 1 hour. As the footage played, now the footage was playing, Aditya and mother did not know whether to laugh or to cry. All of a sudden, when they look at the camera, they don't know what to do, whether to laugh or whether to cry. What they saw both baffled, amused them. It was made them to confused. That a chatter of monkeys. There in camera they seen monkeys. So who is the thief? Monkey is the thief. About 3 of them were quickly making their way towards the staff room. Now the group of monkey was chattered there. Now 3 of the monkey were moved towards staff room. The school had seen sudden visit by monkeys over the last month. They assumed that they were coming into the new areas in search for food. The forests nearby were being cleared to build roads and apartments for humans. Actually, we are destroying trees, forests to build our own luxury houses, right? So where then the monkey will live, where they can find their food. So they enter into the school to search for food. Okay. Aditya and Madan watched in great surprise. They are looking at the CCTV camera at a great surprise as a monkey unbolted the door and ran into the staff room. Now what is happening? The monkey is unbolted, the monkey is unlocked the door and they are moving into the staff room. After 2 minutes, Aditya and Madan saw the monkeys running out of the staff room jubilantly and towards the big mango tree at the end of the corridor. At the end of the corridor, there was a big mango tree. Okay, so they are moving out from the staff room to mango tree. They were nibbling on a few pieces of fruit and had a few more with them in their hands. One of them was waving a bunch of papers in the air while running. Now they had nibbling is like they are eating, and spelt it. Okay, nibbling fruits. They have fruits in their hands and a bunch of paper. Now can you able to understand who theft the paper, question paper? The monkeys theft the question paper. Now look at here, Aditya and Madan sir were looking at the CCTV camera and monkeys, their hands is having a bunch of paper. As they flung themselves on the tree at great speed. They are flowing all the papers in a great speed. The bunch of papers went flying into the air. Now the bunch of paper was all over flying in the air like a kite. Okay. Some sheets got caught in the branches while some flew away. Some papers were still hanging in the branch of the tree and some flew away. The monkeys then took off at great speed, having got what they wanted. Now they took just fruits and they unknowingly taken the question paper. The teachers who went in after the incident said the staff room was a mess with papers strewn all over. Now the staff room was full of papers. Madan's table had been ransacked. Ransacked is caused damage to place by taking things without permission. Like it was looking like someone is taken without his permission. And the front drawer was open and was almost falling off. The front drawer was almost to fall down. Aditya and Madan also checked the mango tree and the area around it. They found a few torn sheets. The sheets was into a piece of like small pieces, turned into small pieces and looked at each other in surprise and shock. Now they both looked at each other surprised and shocked. What do you think these sheets were? How they know the importance of the sheets? Everyone then realized who the thieves were and laughed heartily. Now they came to know the thief. They all in a depressed mood, but after knowing the monkeys were the thief, they all laughed heartily. And I hope you all enjoy this lesson. Thank you, dear children.